What, need napkins?
No, I'll just use your bottle. This is an actual weekend in my life. This weekend, I thought it would be really fun to go to the gun range. So how was it?
That was amazing, actually. It was incredible!
So we're just gonna make some blueberry pancakes this morning, and right now it's 12 o'clock p.m. I usually eat around 8 o'clock, and I usually wake up earlier, but I'm just about to have my first meal of the day.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
You know some?
Put some bacon and I put it in a pancake. How you make amazing pancakes, okay? So you have 2 pans, and you have to, that's a little bit too much butter, to be honest.
All right, this is starting off really great.
One eternity later.
Check those balls. You're so good with handling blue balls.
Babe.
What? It brings back memories. Memories of this morning.
It's gonna be hella fluffy, so if you like really fluffy pancakes, you can
I do like fluffy pancakes.
Fluffy cakes for the fluffster. Cutter.
Cutter, can I get the hay?
So after we had breakfast, we did a little bit of work. Then we went to Granville Island to walk around for a little bit. We grabbed some German food, and then after that, we waited in this long line for Lee's Donuts. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes until you say you want to get out of this line.
Probably 1:30.
That's longer than what I'm used to.
Sprinkles and raspberry jelly.
We got half a dozen donuts because we love our sweets, and I'm bulking, so the more calories, the better. And then afterwards, I just realized that Granville Island has the best exotic fruits, and I love exotic fruits. So I got some golden dragon fruit. I also got some granadilla, and I got a pound of blueberries. Then we went back home to pig out and eat all the donuts that we bought. Alright, so it's around 9:30 p.m. and basically when we got back from Granville Island, we just pretty much did some more work. I ate like 3/4 of the blueberry box that I bought. On Sunday, we decided to go to our building pool, so enjoy this little montage here. What's that? What's that?
What's up?
So I got my bubble tea of the day, and I've been having a bubble tea almost every day, and I found out that one bubble tea is probably around like 600 calories, which I'm so happy about because I'm trying to bulk.
I just lost 10 pounds, so I shouldn't be eating this.
Every weekend we like to go for a walk when it's nice out. It was super nice, and we chose to go to Spanish Banks this weekend, and we got to see the cherry blossoms, and then after that we stopped by Lush to get some products.
Now we're gonna head to Whole Foods, and we're gonna go buy some very, very expensive groceries to pair with our very, very expensive body wash.
Alright, so we got 3 pounds of chicken wings and ground beef, and I'm gonna cut up some mushrooms and make some protein pasta and also make some rice. Every Sunday, I like to do a huge meal prep because I'm bulking right now, and if I don't do a meal prep on the weekends, I struggle to get all my calories in. So every weekend, I buy like 3 pounds of chicken wings because I'm obsessed with chicken wings right now. And then I also get maybe some ground beef, some protein pasta, some rice. But in this video, I'm just going to do it's kind of like a mini meal prep.
Just think about you, you know? Okay, so we got mushies, and then we've got lobster ravioli, lobster, and we've got vodka sauce for it. We're also gonna add some kale, and we've got garlic.
After I was done my meal prep, we also made some dinner. We made some lobster ravioli and enjoyed it with this sparkling cider that we bought from IKEA. I don't drink, so this is why we bought this, and it was super good. And we enjoyed it by the golden hour and watched the sunset. And then we ended off the night at our friend Tyler's place, and he lives in the same building, just a few floors down. So we made some s'mores by his fireplace.